what happens when a true American legend comes back but refuses to stay in the past? This is the 2026 Pontiac GTO Convertible, a machine that blends raw muscle heritage with modern luxury and cutting-edge design. And based on what you're seeing here, this isn't just a revival, it's a full transformation. Let's break it down. Right from the front view, the GTO instantly commands attention. You're looking at a modernized split grille, still unmistakably Pontiac, but now sharper, wider, and more aggressive. The GTO badge sits boldly inside the grille, paired with subtle red LED accents that give it a performance-oriented identity. The headlights are where classic meets future. Instead of traditional round lamps, we now see stacked LED lighting elements, giving the car a futuristic signature while still echoing the original muscle-era layout. Dual functional hood scoops dominate the center line, reinforcing that this car isn't just about looks, it's built for power. The sculpting is clean, tight, and incredibly refined. Finished in that deep metallic green, this thing looks like a modern-day Predator. Move to the side, and the proportions tell the whole story. This is pure American muscle DNA. Long hood, low stance, and a stretched rear deck, but now enhanced with modern surfacing and tighter panel lines. The car sits on large black multi-spoke performance wheels, paired with red brake calipers that subtly match the front LED accents. There's also a thin red accent line running along the lower body, adding a sporty signature without overdoing it. And because this is a convertible, with the top down, the car transforms completely. Clean, open, and incredibly premium. The stance is low, wide, and planted. It feels modern, but unmistakably GTO. Now the rear. And this is where things get seriously interesting. The design features full-width LED taillights, stretched horizontally to emphasize width and presence. They glow with a clean red signature that feels futuristic but still aggressive. The Pontiac lettering across the rear replaces traditional badging, giving it a premium, modern identity. And just below that, GTO branding is clean and purposeful. Down low, you get a quad exhaust setup, paired with a performance diffuser, a clear signal that this car isn't just for cruising, it's built to perform. The overall rear design is wide, muscular, and extremely confident. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The interior blends classic muscle layout with modern luxury tech. You'll notice the rich tan leather upholstery, wrapping the dashboard, seats, and door panels, giving it that premium, almost grand touring feel. In front of the driver is a fully digital instrument cluster, combined with analog-inspired gauges, perfectly mixing old-school emotion with new-age precision. The center console features a large infotainment display, cleanly integrated, along with modern controls and a performance-style gear selector. And in the POV driving shot, you can feel it. Hands on the wheel, open sky above, cruising through a quiet suburban road. This is exactly what a convertible GTO should feel like. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. While official specs are still speculative, Reports suggest the 2026 GTO could feature a V8 powertrain producing around 350 horsepower and 495 Newton-meters of torque, paired with rear-wheel drive for that authentic muscle experience. Some performance concepts even hint at twin-turbo V8 options or electrified setups pushing far beyond traditional limits, showing just how serious this comeback could be. Top speed? Potentially reaching around 270 kilometers per hour, making it not just nostalgic, but genuinely fast. Since this is still in the concept/revival stage, pricing hasn't been officially confirmed. But based on positioning, expect it to land somewhere in the range of $55,000 to $80,000 US. As for release, if Pontiac or a GM revival project moves forward, we could realistically see something like this hit production around 2026 to 2027. So, what do you think? Is this the perfect balance between classic muscle and modern design? Or should the GTO stay exactly as it was? One thing's for sure. If this is the future of American muscle, it's looking seriously exciting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments, because this might just be the return of a legend.